Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Valk 3 Elite M. Here we have the Valk 3 Elite M and a receipt. Why are cube boxes so shiny nowadays? This feels like I'm opening up a new iPhone or something. And we've got a lot of stuff in here. Here's the cube, and there are like 4 different tiny boxes in here. A, B, C, D. So I will be making a separate video comparing all the magnet strengths and the nuts that come with it. But for now, let's just take a look at the cube. Feels a little bit greasy from the outside, and as usual, primary internals. Let's do first turns. This feels like a lighter and faster Valk Power M, and the magnet strength as of now seems like it's perfect. Although perhaps I could want something a little bit lighter. It feels a little catchy as of now. Let's check corner cutting. It's not that amazing right now, but it's alright. Yeah, I'll probably loosen this cube up a bit before I start solving with it. Overall, this cube turns pretty well. It's just a bit too greasy from the outside. One second, let me go ahead and just wipe it up. Okay, so I did wipe this puzzle down, and now it turns a lot better. As you can see, it's not as slippery anymore, and it turns really amazing, and it flows really nicely overall. Only problem with it right now is it's a little bit too tight for my taste, which I don't really like. I prefer loose cubes. But let's try some one-handed turning. Yeah, not that great for one-handed. I'll probably have to set this puzzle up if I want to use it for VJTI. Anyways, let's just go ahead and do a quick solve, I guess. I'll just grab my timer. Oh, such an easy cross. Let me just scramble it. This probably won't be the best solve in the world because it's not a very comfortable angle for me to solve from, but you know. $13.94, which is not too bad, but it's about half a second worse than my average. Overall, this puzzle is pretty good. I just need to get a little bit more used to it, and I'm sure it'll overtake the MF3RS2M as my new main. So for my first impressions, I'll give this cube a 9 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the brand new Valk 3 Elite M. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.